This is the Esquiva Recuada, the Vingativa and the Martelo with the front leg on the left side. We are already seeing those moves separately into the learning section, so please take a look before you try to combine them. So let's take a look on the exercise. So I'm starting with my Esquiva Recuada on the left, so left hand down the floor. I'll turn my hip to the side, so my hip is facing to the right now, so I can advance to do my Vingativa as normal. Remember, on the Vingativa, the weight is on the back leg, and then I'm going to return to the Ginga position and do my Martelo with the front leg. On the Martelo as well, remember to keep your hip sideways, so you keep going sideways and then resetting the whole exercise. So left hand down, Vingativa, come back, Martelo with the front leg. I'm not going to go too deep onto the details here because you have got those moves in the library separate, so you can look at them, practice them individually before you try to combine. Don't rush through the exercise. Make sure you're comfortable with every single step of the movements, and then eventually you'll be able to add momentum into it and do a little bit faster. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.